Hey guys, welcome to Nick's Hardware. Check this out. I have Windows 10 installed on my router. So at this point, I know what you're probably thinking. This is probably a PC-based router with an Intel or AMD CPU, so installing Windows 10 shouldn't be a problem. And that's partially true. This is a PC engine with a AMD CPU. There's one big catch though. There's no video card. So that's the catch. How do you install Windows 10 on a PC without a video card? Well, I'm going to show you how I did it. And before we start, I want to take a moment and thank everyone who has subscribed. Thank you very much. We finally hit the 1,000 mark. And a big thank you to Tony Wing for being the 1,000 subscriber. Go check out his channel at some point. And if you're not a subscriber, please take a couple seconds and hit that subscribe button. For a small YouTuber like me, it actually means a lot, and it keeps me motivated into making more videos. So again, thank you very much. All right, first thing we need to do is remove all the screws so we can get the cover off, and then remove the SATA card. Our next step is to install this SATA card into this adapter. You've probably noticed that Dell PC in the background. Well, we're finally going to use that now. With the adapter, the SATA card becomes a standard 2.5-inch SSD drive. If you haven't figured it out by now, we're going to be using the Dell PC to do a standard Windows 10 installation so we could get the operating system on that SATA card. All right, we're almost there. The final step is to enable remote desktop, change your password, and shut down. At this point, we just removed the adapter from the Dell PC, removed the SATA card from the adapter, and the SATA card goes back into the PC engines. Once we restart the router, Windows 10 is going to notice that it's in different hardware. It will automatically reconfigure itself. Now, in order to log in with remote desktop, you need to know either the computer name or IP address. And that's how you install Windows 10 on a piece of hardware that doesn't have a video card. I was also able to install the same SATA card into the PC Engine's APU2, which is the next model up and has 4 cores. I was able to do the same thing with my Lanner 7565 router. Okay, here's some benchmarks with Cinebench and Crystal Disk Mark. All right, so this was a good experiment. I really enjoyed trying this out. But you should probably not install Windows 10 on your router. It doesn't really perform all that well. Anyway, thank you, subscribe, comment, all that.